Hey guys, so today I'm just trying to hand feed Buddy and Echo some seeds. So we've got some sunflower seeds, which I absolutely love, and we're testing them out on pumpkin seeds. Hold on a minute, I'm getting there. Step up. Good boy. Do you want a pumpkin seed? Thank you. Would you like a pumpkin seed? Oh. Do you want to have a try? Oh, you don't like the Echo? Buddy's eating his. Is that nice, Buddy? Is it nice? Yummy pumpkin seeds. So Echo's not too fussed about the pumpkin seeds. Try this one. She doesn't mind the sunflower seeds. She loves them. Would you like another one? Thank you. Would you like another sunflower seed? Gentle. You need to be gentle. Good girl. Gentle. Not bitey. Would you like another one? Good boy. Gentle. Do you want to try this one? You just want to bite me, don't you? There you go. You're alright. Buddy loves his. They're nice, aren't they? Yum. You not enough? Do you want a sunflower seed? There you go. Do you want to help yourself? You just want to bite everything today. You're not happy, are you? She's not happy today, is she? Alright guys, so that was me trying to test out some new seeds. Echo's not happy. She's not having any part of it today. Yeah, so thanks guys. See you later.